Several agencies have begun a probe if there was a violation of protocol done by the vehicle carrying the Thiruvananthapuram Mayor Arya Rajendran when the President Ramnath Kovind was travelling from the airport to attend an event in the capital city. Kovind, who is on a state visit, arrived from Kochi on Thursday morning at the airport in state capital. He was to be present at the inauguration of the event to unveil a statue of the late P.N. Panikkar, the pioneer of learning, literacy, and library movements in the city. It was when the presidential convoy, with Kovind travelling second in the 14-vehicle cavalcade, was moving towards Pujapura, nearly 8 km from the airport. The vehicle carrying the mayor was trying to enter into the convoy, as she was also to be present on the stage with Kovind at the event. After travelling a few kilometers, her vehicle got into the convoy near the General Hospital and followed the 8th vehicle of the convoy. According to sources, this was a serious lapse done by the mayor, and as soon as her vehicle entered into the 9th position, vehicles behind her had to halt. Central agencies have started a probe into what they allege is a serious lapse of protocol and will submit a report on this. The Kerala police is looking into the matter as well. The agencies will be investigating the lack of water in the toilet setup for the president, the inadequacy of the venue seating, and the confusion in the official convoy. There was no water to use in the restroom prepared for the president near the inaugural venue in Pujapura. There was a serious lapse on the part of the officials in not providing the water connection. The president had to wait until water was brought in from outside. This caused the ceremony to be delayed. Another violation of protocol that happened is failing to prepare a seat for the First Lady at the venue of the inauguration ceremony. The President's wife was not on the list. The seating arrangement was prepared without paying attention to this. Later, the seat had to be vacated just before the ceremony. Time and again, the mayor has been in the news for various reasons. She first came in the limelight in December 2020 after becoming the youngest mayor in the country at the age of 21. Since then, she has come under attack from the BJP, the main opposition in the Thiruvananthapuram Corporation, for allegations of corruption. News Desk, Kaumudy Global.